Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have a shovel full of colors and I'm going to add some turquoise or some peacock to that. But first, I'm going to give myself a layer of paint and spread it with my OXO omelet turning spatula. Best paint spreading tool around. I know you guys know the drill. Trying to have just enough to let other paint flow. And looking at all the bubbles and the junk in here going on, I'm so happy I have tweezers and that they're available on my Amazon link below the link tree that's right under the video. And I will show them to you in a moment, right after I contemplate whether I'm torching or not. Wow, I've never seen so many pieces of jetsam. Holy. Okay, I'm going to wipe that off so I can use it again in a second if I need to. Give this a little bit of a torch. I guess we're just going for it since I've got leftover paint anyway. And these are really small. And I'm hoping that they will dry. Alright, so there's my shovel of paint. There's my peacock. Here's some black. Whatever I need, I will probably add. I think I'm going to put some of the hot orchid in the residuals of the shovel. Grab a Princeton Art Tools Catalyst spatula mini blade. Also on my Amazon link. I am going to tip this or put chain in it or use a basting brush or something. Not that I probably have to. No idea what's going to happen to those marks if I do that. I am going to take all of the, ew, that was in a puddle of paint. I'm going to take all of these residuals with my spatula out of the shovel. Just drip them around. I might add some more gold. I think I would like to add some more gold. And while I'm at it, maybe a little bit of that peacock, because I just have such a tremendous affectation for that peacock right now. I want that to come out, and I just cleared that tip. There we go. I said gold. Do I want gold or do I want golden hour, the pearl from Arteza? I think I like golden hour from Arteza. So that's pretty cool. I'm done. I could be done. I certainly could be done. I'm going to give it a little bit of a tip though, because I can. That's the name of my first book. It's on the Amazon link. It's under Show More underneath the link tree. I might be sorry I tipped this because I really like that little, I like that composition. I don't know. I think I'm just going to play with it with my spatula. Which I could do with my basting brush, but I get a lot more lines. I could do a Gale Burston and use my palette knife. Really tempting. I was kind of thinking dragons, but I'm not seeing anything that remotely resembles a dragon to me right now. Not that I can usually see while I'm working. what other people see after I'm done with an artwork. it's just different and kind of fun and very funky. And I'm going to find a skewer, throw a few spirals in there because I can, and tell you that the GAC 800 that's in my paint mix means that I don't have to worry. And I want some of that blue. Do I really want blue? Let's see. I don't need it. I got it anyway. Most of it will sink away and disappear, which is its MO usually. I like those dots. So this isn't really what I was expecting, but that's okay because that works for me too. I want a little dish. I kind of feel bad I didn't save any of my paint back. I'm having a really good time. Thank you guys for joining me, and thank you for all the wonderful comments you leave me all the time to keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate them. So when you do a little spiral anywhere, wherever you do your spiral, you can always end in the center and leave it stationary and then just twist. Kind of reminds me of something mid-century modern. And it's really cool just the way it is. I'll worry about my edges tomorrow. I don't think I need to worry about them now. I kind of think I'm going to turn that into a spiral though, because I can. And what else? I want more turquoise right there. I am inclined to put turquoise or put drops of paint on just about anything. And I don't mind a little schmutz still left on my skewer, because that changes up the patterns in the paint. What kind of creature is it? I don't know if it's even a creature, but it's cool. I'm liking it. It's a lot of fun to just, what do they call it? Zentangle? It's Zentangle with leftover paints and some squeeze bottles. I want some more of that yellow, where I see that spiral is not spiraling to my heart's content. Not a lot of yellow in there, but some. So, I have over 1,700 videos, and they're all organized on playlists, by the 100, and by topic. And this is just fun. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm really glad you're here. Check my Teespring clothing below the video if you're interested in all over print leggings or all over print t-shirts. If you would like to be of assistance to me, watching the video longer is a great assistance. Giving me a thumbs up is very appreciated. Shopping my Amazon link is eventually a help to me. Not so much lately because I'm like down I'm down a lot below 40 bucks. So that's not really working anymore. But if you shop there, I expect at some point in time it might. Again, it did the first year anyway. So what else can I tell you guys? On the link tree, you can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. You can find my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors, to look at the albums of the artworks that have been edited from YouTube videos. My community board is on my YouTube channel, where you can also find the PayPal and Patreon icons on the bottom right-hand corner of the channel banner. And if you decide you'd like to make a donation, I have an end screen video that will show you the prizes that are gifted once a month at the end of the month in my monthly drawing. I can't talk anymore. Thank you guys for all the donations that have helped keep me painting all this time. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much to everyone who helps. And I really can't tell you how much I appreciate your help. It's huge. So I love you guys. There's over 91,000 of you subscribed. If you're new, please be welcomed. Like I said, I'm really not going to worry about my edges, because even if I put white paint on them right now, it's going to look just exactly the same as all the rest. I'm not sure there's any point in zooming in here, but if it'll help you see it better, that's not a bad idea. There's some cartoon characters in there. I can see them now. That's a really strange thing. I'm not going to tell you what I see because it's really strange. Okay, that doesn't happen to me as often as it happens to you guys. But that was fun, and I'm really happy you joined me. And I hope you come again, and I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, please ask me questions if you want to, and look for my paint pouring recipe under the video. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.